All right, well, we're looking at some pretty heavy snow in the northeast. At least it is fading now, but in the wake of that, some very cold and windy conditions. Definitely bundling up here today on this Martin Luther King Jr. Day in the northeast. And our colder temperatures look to continue as we slide through the end of the month. Here is a view from Binghamton, New York. Fresh piles of snow, and again, quite a bit of it falling across most of the Midwest, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast from, again, late last week into the weekend. The heaviest, though, was in the eastern Great Lakes and the northern New England states. Take a look at our snowfall from Sunday. 15.6 in Burlington, almost 17 inches in Caribou. Good enough for daily snowfall records in those areas. And if you take a look at snow so far through the first 20 days of 2019, almost 1.5 feet in Buffalo, more than 2 feet in Burlington, and almost 4 feet there in Caribou, Maine. Additional snowfall still adding up in the far northern reaches of Maine. That's where we have winter storm warnings. But these wind chill advisories and warnings will be in place today, where it feels like temps early on could be in the teens to 20s, maybe even close to 30 below for feels like temps. And the winds, again, very strong, 30 to 40 plus mile-per-hour gusts. So we head back to the west into the Midwest. A number of winter weather headlines have been posted, even winter storm watches. Could be looking at several inches of snow starting later this afternoon, tonight, and into Tuesday, kind of wrapping up early Wednesday morning. But again, feels like temps early on this Monday into the 20s and 30s below range as you head farther north. But here comes that system, still bringing with it some decent snow through the Intermountain West. We have a number of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. A lot of wind as well through the Four Corners region. California picking up some pretty decent wind, and of course seeing some snow up near the Wasatch Range near Salt Lake City. Temperatures will be mild out ahead of that system developing, 70s out near the panhandle of Texas, but very cold in the eastern two-thirds of the nation. It looks like we will be very cold in those areas through early Feb.